Hands are the tools where medical knowledge must transfer flawlessly to the physical practice of medicine. That's why Medline makes surgical gloves with such precision and painstaking quality, and provides a variety of excellent solutions to meet the personal preferences of every surgeon. Regardless of type, all Medline gloves are designed to make a material difference with state-of-the-art performance, manufacturing, and quality control. Performance means gloves that feel just right and provide optimal safety, fit, tactility, and comfort. Quality assurance begins with the highest quality raw materials and continues with consistent monitoring throughout the manufacturing process. State-of-the-art facilities create products with exacting consistency, with rigorous testing for important attributes during and after manufacturing. This includes WRAP certification for all Sensicare surgical gloves, ensuring they meet the highest social and ethical production standards. Of course, you want those ideal gloves to be there when you need them, regardless of pandemics or natural disasters. That's where Medline's unmatched distribution network and sophisticated inventory control ensures the right product is there whenever and wherever needed. Make the right choice with Medline surgical gloves for gloves that can make a material difference in your success.